All right, well, I'm gonna put this on our YouTube channel just to document it. It'll be private. It's just for us, but I'll show you, Doreen, and Dad, and Mom. We're gonna walk out the back door. It's October 10th. Last night, October 9th, was Hurricane Helene. Blew through here pretty fast. What was it? Hurricane Milton. Milton, I think it was called. So, here you go. We now have waterfront property. It's a big old mess out here. Treetops are down. Came off of that right there. Lost a lot of treetops. There's a lot. The chickens didn't blow away. We still have chickens. Man, oh man. There's a lot of water here. You can see, well, I don't know if you can see it. I can't zoom in on it either, I don't believe. Maybe I can, let's see. Our water met with the pond next door. You can see right here, there's all the debris where it came over the driveway. And that's like 5-6 feet deep over there. It's bad. We got a lot of damn water here. And this is the rest of the debris all over the yard. There's a cat in a tree over there. See the white spot? Mango made it. There's another treetop. Oh shit, we lost the whole tree. Oh fuck. See what's left of the tree right there? Here's the tree. Yeah, kind of windy last night. It said over 100 mile an hour. Sorry, I didn't have my coffee yet. Over 100 mile an hour wind gusts. The house was creaking. Oh, we got some damage on the house. I'll show you in a minute. Oh, fuck. There's just shit laying everywhere. Holy crap. Let's see. Dad's house did well. I was very worried about this very tall palm tree, not palm tree, pine tree, because they're shallow rooted. That did good. The ground is saturated, so I was worried about that. Looks good over there. Just lost debris down. Yep, there's the other cat. All right, we have 2 cats. Let's see how the house made out. Good thing is we had a new roof put on this about 3 to 4 weeks ago. Brand new roof put on. Oh, it looks pretty good, aside from being underwater. Okay. That's a piece of vinyl. Oh shit, I'm stepping in the water. Vinyl siding there, but the house is intact. Thank God. A little bit of vinyl siding damage up there. The other side is probably pretty bad, but I can't get there because I'm not going swimming. You hear generators running in the background. Yes, the house fared well. All right, that's the best news of the day. The roof is intact, the house is intact, siding is all there. Can't tell about the other side of the house, but I imagine there's some pieces missing over there as well. That's the west side of the house. That's the east side of the house. All right, everybody. Fuck, we got some cleaning up to do. This is gonna suck. See you soon.